So there's the dip just in front of the house, as you can see, full of water, and it's now trickling through into this. We've never had water here before, and it's trickling slowly this way. Ah, there's Jules. But wet, wet, wet. Another huge downpour last night. Rain for hours. All this flooded grass is going to start, or has started, drying up. So it's going to be an issue for the cows later on. We've never had a river on the plot before. Certainly got one this year. Dogs enjoying all this water.
Have you taken...
Most rainy seasons we get a little bit of water in this dip, but as you can see, this is quite extensive. Welcome to our new fish farm. And we've had some ellies. Don't know if you can see the tracks there. Yeah, I think they're quite clear, aren't they? Another little herd of ellies overnight. They're enjoying it at the moment, all this lovely grass. Don't know what the cows are going to eat. As you can see, it's very, very green now. Two ladies weeding, taking out the bad weeds in among the grass. And that pond you can see down there has doubled in size. Nice pile of elephant dung from a couple of days ago. You can see the dung beetles have been busy here. Really done a number on it. So this, we haven't seen anything like this since 2008 when we were building the house. We've never had any water in here since then. And even when we were down here yesterday morning, there was just a couple of small wet patches overnight. That just filled up. That's only maybe a foot deep, but to the left round the corner, well, let me take you there. Here we go. So you can now see that little narrow patch of water is connecting that big pond over on the far side. That is, well, it's pretty much 2 meters deep in the middle. I know, because 10 years ago I swam in it and the water was way over my head, so yeah, around 2 meters of water. That is a shed load of water and it'll stay around for months now.